Welcome to listen to today's story. The story shared by Auntie Kiwi today is The Look of Winter. Author, Li Xiong. Paintings, Lu Qiumei, Tang Xiaoli. Winter is coming. There are all kinds of small animals living in the forest. One day, the little bear wanted to know what winter was like. It's a pity that every time winter comes, he is sleeping. So he asked the little rabbit, "What do you think of winter?" The little rabbit said, I can't tell. Otherwise, I'll draw it for you to see." So the little rabbit started to draw. When the first snowflake falls, the little bear hibernated. Little rabbit draws the snowflakes first. "I thought it would be better if it was available in summer." The bird's nest in the tree is empty, leaving only branches on the ground. "It doesn't matter. Next spring, Mother Bird will clean the house. The baby is being born here." The leaves on the trees have also fallen off. The branches are bare, without leaves to accompany them. The branches are so lonely. He also hopes that spring will come soon. There is a big snowman piled on the grass. Little Rabbit said proudly, "Ha! Draw the snowman and show it to the bear. He must not know what it is." Plum blossoms are blooming at the foot of the mountain, and the little rabbit is painting plum blossoms, while thinking it's a pity that fragrance cannot be painted. Little Bear will think these plum blossoms are not pretty. After a few days, the snow stopped and the ground became frozen. Everyone rode quickly on the ice. The white winter suddenly becomes colorful. The sun goes down. Everyone gathered around the fire at Fox's house, eating the fragrant rice pudding made by Aunt Fox. Listen to Grandma Fox tell stories. The biggest picture painted by Little Rabbit. It's a painting of the ant family celebrating the new year. They danced happily in a room. There are many, many little ants on the painting. Little Rabbit has been painting for many days. When all the little ants are drawn, spring is here and the birds begin to sing. The little bear is about to wake up too. After seeing Little Rabbit's paintings, Little Bear said to Little Rabbit, "Little Rabbit, your paintings are so magical. I love so much. But why are winter, autumn, and summer the same? But you don't have to hibernate. I really envy you. You are so happy." Okay, the story is over. Big baby, little baby. After listening to today's story, what does winter look like to you? Do you like today's story? If so, welcome to continue to pay attention. We will continue to share more interesting stories next time.